Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you a famous Gujarati snack that is called Bhakharwadi, and it is really flavorful and delicious, and I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you today. So welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get to see my videos first. Now let's prepare the outer layer first. For that I'm using 1 cup of Besan, that is a chickpea flour, and half cup of all-purpose flour, that is Maida, and then 1/3 cup of whole wheat flour, that is gehu ka atta. Now I'm going to sift all these flours first. It is very important to sift all the flour so that it gets aerated and it gets the crispy and crunchy texture. Now I'm adding pinch of turmeric and pinch of hing to the flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil, so that the flour is nice and moist and then it gets the crispy layer. Now I'm using a Kitchenaid stand mixer to knead the dough, but you wanted to mix the flour first and then add water necessary to knead the stiff dough. So here I have added about a 1/3 cup of water, up to 1/4 cup of water. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of oil so that the dough does not stick to the bowl. And my dough is now perfectly ready. I'm just going to put it out together, and so your dough should be not too soft, not too hard, but little bit stiffer than roti dough. Now cover it, let it rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing. So for the stuffing, here I have also included the list in the description box, so please check them out. So here I have half cup of coconut powder, and then a 1/4 cup of peanut powder which I have roasted, 2 tablespoons of roasted fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of roasted and crushed coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of ginger and green chili paste. Our secret ingredient is this 1/4 cup of save which I have crushed into powder, and 1 tablespoon of clove, black pepper and cinnamon powder. So these are the ingredients, and I have added a complete list in the description box so you can check them out. Now let's move further. I'm going to add half tablespoon of red chili powder, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, and then salt as per taste, and 1 teaspoon of mango powder, that is amchur powder, or you can use lime juice also, and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. If you like garlic, then you can add it. If you're not, then you can completely skip this. Now mix everything well, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of lime juice, so it adds little moisture to this spice mix. Now I'm going to mix this well with my hands so that the garlic paste and green chili paste and everything is mixed well, and this is how it looks. It is moist, it is binding together, and this is how we want. Now let's make the roti. Our dough has well rested. I'm going to divide it into 3 equal parts and then make a flat roti. This is very simple recipe and it's very easy to follow, and let me know in the comment box where you are watching this video from. So our roti is ready, and you can see the thickness about not that thick. So now I'm going to add the mixture, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and spread it evenly, and I'm going to sprinkle some water so it adds additional moisture, so when I roll it, it rolls tight. So, and press the masala down with the spoon so that it sticks well with the dough. Now we are going to roll this and make sure to roll it tightly, so when we are frying the bhakharwadi, it's not going to be open and all over in the oil. So I have rolled it very tightly, and then keep pressing it, and we are going to seal the edges and then cut it into shape. So here I am just pressing it down and make sure that it's completely tight roll. Now I'm going to cut it into pieces just like this, and I'm going to tell you one secret. Now it looks like this, it's beautiful, the masala looks nice in there, but you have to press it down gently like this and shape it so that when you're frying into the hot oil, the masala does not come out. So I'm going to check the oil, fry it into the medium hot oil until it is nice and golden and the outer layer is nice and crispy. Now when you put it in the oil, do not hurry to flip them, just let them sit for about 2 minutes into the oil and then try to flip them, otherwise it will all open up. Now one quick tip, if it still opens up into the oil, just roast it on the griddle and then fry it. So our bhakharwadi is nice and fried, it's golden and very crispy on the outside. Now take it out into the plate and let it cool completely before you store it into the airtight container. So here our bhakharwadi is crispy on the outside and you can see all the spices, very flavorful and very tasty, and enjoy it with the tea time snack. So I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.